Hi friends, this is Subhash here, a Goan YouTuber, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I am at Panjim today. This is Mandvi Bridge. You can see here behind me, it's a Mandvi Bridge. I am heading towards Kalangut, Baga and Kandolim Beach tonight. It's New Year night today. It's 31st December and it's around 9 o'clock now. I'm heading towards just to see how the tourists had gathered in North Goa. I'll just try to show you, even I'll see. So happy New Year to all of you. I'll just take a view of this area. Maybe you cannot see in the night. If you like this video guys, do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos guys. Come on, let's go. I'll show you something amazing today. Now what I'll do, I'll just cross the bridge and then take the left from there, and beside that I'll take that riverside road which connects to the Kandolim. I'll start from there. This way it is. Maybe you cannot see the city from this bridge here. Okay then, let's go. Okay friends, now I'm at Kandolim here. This side is the Kalangut here, and this is the road from where I have come. I'll take Sikeri also. Let's go there and see. Lot of tourists here for New Year celebration. I guess compared to South Goa, it's more than that tourists are gathered here. Okay, let's go to Sikeri. Alright friend, this is Sikeri. It's a lot of tourists here. Even they don't have parking area also here. Lot of cars and all. Okay, let's go further. Alright friends, there's no street light on the road, so there's a Sikeri here. Let's go to Kandolim now. Then Kalangut I'll take, and then Baga. It's 9:30 around. I'll not wait too long because I have to go home in the south. It's very around 70 kilometers away. Okay, let's go to Kandolim now.
टैक्सी टैक्सी
Alright friends, there was a lots of people in the Kandoli beach here. I'm heading towards Kalangut now. Lot of people gathered here in this virus time also. You see? From here is Kalangut, friends. I'm entering to Kalangut now. Alright friends, this is Kalangut here. Lot of people gathered here. So totally full of guests here, tourists here. They diverted that side inside road. Only bikes are allowed on this road. Okay, let's go to beach now from here.
तूने क्या कर डाला रात दिन बस तेरा ही जब रही हूँ माला प्यार मोहब्बत इश्क की बातें कुछ न समझो अब मुझे
Okay friends, This is Kalangut here, and that's the way to beach, and that's the way to Baga beach here. Lot of people gather here, my friends. You see, it's very hard to even take out the bikes. Lot of people gather here for New Year. Okay, let's go to beach here, then the Baga. Okay friends, that's the Kalangut beach here. Lots of tourists here gathered. See. They don't even have a space to park the bike here. Lot of people gathered. It's around 10:30 now. My bike is here now. Okay, let's go to Baga beach now. I'm not going to the beach because too many people, and you also understand there's a lot of people here gathered. Okay, let's go to Baga beach. Alright friends, this way to the Baga beach now. There's a lot of people here. Come on, let's go. Happy New Year, friends, in Baga. This is Baga here. Okay. Alright friends, this is Baga area here. It's a Baga beach parking area here. Lots of vehicles here. Lots of people gather in North Goa, in Kalangut, Baga, Kandolim here. That's the beach there. I cannot go there. There's too many rush there. I even can't park my bike here. I just pushed here somewhere inside. You see, lots of people gathered here for celebration, New Year celebration. North Goa is different than South Goa. That's why the people come here. More people come compared to South Goa. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's the thing. Okay friend, that's the road goes to Vagator beach straight, and there's the Baga beach here. Lot of people, believe me guys, maybe you can see this. Even it's very hard to park a bike somewhere. No space. Okay. Look at this guys. It's a very traffic jam here. Totally full traffic jam. You see here what I did. Look at my bike, see. I don't even have a place to keep it nicely. I just want to shoot here. It's a lot of people here gathered. It's an outside road. Okay. Lots of people here. It's not look like a virus time or something like that. It's like a normal day here. It's the Baga Beach Road inside there. I just came out from the beach. Now I'll go home from here. Okay, let's go. Okay friend, this is the outside road here. I'm out now. And this goes to Kalangut again from here. Lots of traffic here. You see? Lots of traffic here. Alright friends, that was my vlog on the 31st December night. So it was Sikering, Kalangut, Kandolim and Baga Beach. I have covered lot of people here in North Goa compared to South Goa. I try to cover as much as possible. That a nice view. I try to cover it. Hope you like this video, guys. It feels like different. It doesn't look like any virus is going on in around the world. It's like a normal days here. You see, that's the road goes to Kalangut. Yeah, I'm outside now. I'm on the way to home now. My home is around 65 kilometers away from here now. I have to go home. It's 11:45 in the night. So I have to go home now. I'll not wait much longer. And friends, this is why we need lights here. We ride at night also. Long distance we have to cover. That's why we need extra lights on the bikes. That's what I was talking about. Okay then guys, if you like this video, do subscribe my YouTube channel guys for upcoming videos. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.